but I've never gotten bills before. So I called the butcher shop. You didn't notice you were sending? That'd be a long way for me to drive with my lambs. How's it? I'm so irritated. I don't know. I'm just so irritated. I'm so irritated. I'm just irritated. I got a message from Gary. He won't call me back now. He said they found spots on his lawn.